Fuck you, fucker. Guess where we stay?
Cálmate, vato, ¿qué quieres, cabrona?
Sí, pescado.
Pinche pescado, pareces un pescado.
Sí, yo necesito ube.
For what?
Churros.
You don't need that for churros?
We're doing a little fusion, mix and match.
Sounds gross, but let's try.
Send me to the kitchen. Okay, anyway, we need some agua.
Wait, is that hot? Why is it hot?
Oh, it's hella fucking hot.
Oh, yeah, we got that burner. Okay, so we put that water up, put it on hot, then we put some, what's that? Is that butter?
Mm-hmm.
Some butterkins?
And then a little more of that butterball.
I think you mix that up until it makes into
a liquid, a fine, divine liquid, silky smooth.
That looks gross. And then we add some flour. Mira nomás, flor.
See, and you're gonna mix that shit too until it's like a ball.
Oh fuck.
Have you seen like white chicks? Okay, anyway, you're gonna put some sal. Mwah.
¿Qué es esto? Oh, it's canelita.
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 Sí.
Then you mix that up.
Sure. Now, at this point, we're at low heat.
This is not for diabetics.
It's for everyone.
Except diabetics.
What are we making?
Let me take you to the garage, yo. So we need to get this shit and we need to pipe it and make it into churro form.
Okay, handy manny.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the bottle, then we're gonna put a star over here. You know, I'm using my trusty sharp knife. See the star figure right there? And then we come over here to this bag and you get your trusty knife.
Dull ass.
Then you cut it.
Might as well just rip it with your teeth.
Honestly, yo, use my teeth. Use your jagged ass teeth, shark tooth.
You yuck tooth.
And then you just put this through here. And what you got?
What you got? A piping bag.
A churro bag.
Gordon Ramsay kind. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Peasant. All right.
You got eggs. You peasant.
Oh, okay. And then this is on cold, yo. You can't be doing this in no heat.
Oh, you gotta make that shit cool down first.
This ain't no omelet. We ain't trying to cook it. We just trying to mix it. We're trying to get all up in the mix.
Yeah, let it cool.
See? All up in the mix. It won't look like it's mixing, but it will. You just gotta keep trusting it, yo.
Don't
throw
give
it out.
up. Don't give up.
Don't throw out.
Or else I'll be like, fuck you, bitch. Yeah, mix it nice till it gets all smooth.
See what happens?
Ooh, this is for the ube. Put like a little bit of ube and you mix it and it's gonna become dark purple like that. Ooh, looks like the guy from the McDonald's. You know that purple thing? Yeah, that's what you want to look like.
Look at my piping bag. Oh.
You swing it.
Why you gotta swing it?
Just to make sure it's all mixed up.
I don't think you need to swing it. And then you just put the oil on a hot. It can be any type of oil. And then you just gotta slice it in. Boom.
You know the oil's ready when it's floating, when you put it in. And then the purple one, oh my god.
Look like Toodle.
What? Now it's time to take it out when it's nice and brown, you know, just the way we like it, lady.
I like white.
What? Wait, what? Like that?
Yeah.
What?
Como azuquita. With a little bit of brown.
Oh, okay.
Just a touch, though.
A touch? Shit. How about purple, bruh?
How you make that?
You put the sugar and then
you put the kind of the thing?
You put the kind with the stuff, hello. And then you drop the butter and then you grab the stuff and put them inside the thing and go
Mira nomás, que chingonería.
Mira nomás.
She doesn't know how to do it, so I gotta do it.
Flick your wrist.
As usual.
What do you mean as usual? Fuck yourself then. Damn. And then he ate it all, so, you know, we didn't get any pictures.
We got this one, though.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.
Like and subscribe.